Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to do an unboxing of some kitchen supplies that I just recently purchased. We just recently moved, so everything new. All right, so I did get a couple of things and I'm gonna come right back to show you. I purchased them via Instacart from Target, as you may or may know, aka Target. So I'm gonna come right back and show you what everything I got. So the very first thing I want to show you is I got some bamboo utensils. We're doing like a full conversion and we're trying to eat clean. We're trying to be healthy. We're trying to do the right things. So I went ahead, instead of having like silicone or anything like that, we switched over to wooden utensils because from what we heard, it's better for you instead of the other type of cooking utensils that carry aluminum or anything of that sort. So I wanted to be pretty clean on my way to converting to my new lifestyle. Anywho, so then this is the kitchen tool set by Room Essentials. This is bamboo and silicone. So I'm only going to use just the bamboo ones. The ones that are silicone, I'm going to use that for my soaping when I am making soap and for my my small business. So let's go ahead and open it up together. Let me grab a pair of scissors. Hold up. Alrighty, so I got my scissors. We're about to cut this thing on open. Alright. Okay, so we got these four little ones. We got these four little ones. And we got this big blue one. We got this red one. We got this gray one. And then we got this small mustard one. And then as far as the utensils, we got this spatula with the holes in it. We got this wooden one. We got this one with the circle. And then we got this one. I think these ones are perfectly for salads. And then we got this other one, and then we got this one for our rice, because baby, we eat a lot of rice in this house. So that's that. My utensils, and that again was the kitchen tool set by Room Essentials. See it? Got it? Good. Right, on to the next thing. Okay, so we bought a 8-piece set, and it's Cuisinart. I personally like Cuisinart. I use Cuisinart immersion blender for my small business, so I'm like just a big fan of the brand. I trust them. I trust their material. So I'm like, okay, if I already like the immersion blender, then I'm gonna like the pots and the pans. So let me show you. Ooh. It surely is heavy. So this is the Cuisinart Classic Matte White Stainless Steel. So that's our thing right there. Oh, sorry, it says stainless. And it says professional stainless steel construction with matte white exterior. So we're unboxing this today because baby, we need to cook. So that's another reason I ain't want to do it without showing you guys what I had got, how it's looking, how it works, stuff like that. So I said, okay, I'm gonna do this unboxing with y'all. So let's go ahead and open it up. And I bought this for Instacart. It was like $170 via Instacart, which you know, like with Instacart, they do add additional fees to it. So you can check on the Target website for the Cuisinart Classic Matte White Stainless to see the exact price. It may range maybe like $160, maybe range between $150, $160. It all depends on your location, your Target, or your Instacart. All right, so let's go ahead and open this thing all up. Of course, we got our Cuisinart stainless cookware, the importance, how to clean your cookware, cooking instructions, registering, how to register your product now, complete the 2-step easy register your product, receive premium customer service, special offers, and more. So that's what that's talking about right there. It says, read before you use your Cuisinart. Do not allow flame to extend beyond base of the pan. Direct contact with flame can discolor exterior finish. All right, that's cool, that's cool, that's cool. All right, so in these, it's a smaller box. We got some smaller boxes. These are most likely the lids. This is one of the lids here. And as you can see, it has the gold finish. And baby, I love gold. Gold is one of my brand colors. So here we go. You see the gold there. This one here is another lid. Looks like it's for the smaller part. Another lid. Our big box. Okay, this is just a circle. This is one of our smaller pots. So this small one must be the 1 quart pour, open pour saucer. Might possibly be. Then we have a 2.5 quart saucepan with cover. 3-quart saucepan with cover, and then we have a 5-quart stock pot with cover, and then we have a 10-inch skillet. So this is our tiny baby. Oh my god, guys, this thing is just beautiful, man. Look at this thing. It says high impact bonded base, induction ready. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. Oh my god, I love this. So yeah, this is our 1 quart open pour saucepan. So you can see like the little where is it? I just saw it. So you see the little pour. It ain't that big. You can't really see the true definition of it, but you can somewhat see the pouring spout in it. This is beautiful. The trash away. All right, and then this is our second one. This must be the 2.5 quart saucepan. It really is beautiful, guys. Like, this is gorgeous. Now you got the white matte and you got the gold finish. Yes, honey. Yes, honey. Yes, yes. Look at that. Look at that thing, man. Oh man. It's big, mama. Well, we got our small top. This is a big one. This must be the 3-quart saucepan with lid. See it? Matte, double golded handles. Oh baby, they did their thing with this one. Like both handles has the branding on it. Look at the branding. Oh, beautiful branding. Yes, baby. Yes, baby. Yes, it is. Still got some more to go. Okay, we got our saucepan. Oh man, look at this. Look at this, baby. I can see my reflection. Oh yeah, I can see my reflection. This is beautiful. is the last item that's in the box. This is the 10-inch skillet. This one doesn't come with a lid, but that's not how it is with pots and pans. They all go unisex and they go one-on-one with one another. That's everything from the box. That was really great. I really enjoyed that. I'll put that on the stove. So that was the unboxing of the Cuisinart Classic Matte White Stainless Pot Set. I'm gonna go show you how it looks on my stove. So this is how it looks on my stove. And then like with the pot tops, they're very interchangeable. So you see like this one is already on here. You can most likely put that there and it fits perfectly on there. The same thing, well maybe not the same thing with that one, but you know, pick and choose your battles, okay? Anywho, so that is that. And thank you for watching my video for my Cuisinart 8-piece stainless steel matte white with the gold trim. Yes,